Okay, so okay, this thing's working. So, what's going on, guys? It's me, Satoshi. This is Friends with Physics. I don't know. And today we're going over projectile motion. So basically, what projectile motion is that it's like the motion of an object thrown or projected into the air, and like the only acceleration we'll experience is the acceleration due to gravity, which is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. So, and then like the object is called the projectile, like the object being thrown is called a projectile. So say we have little Jimmy, I don't know, Jimmy Jimster. This is his ball. He throws his ball and it comes down. Let's just say it lands right at the ground. This thing right here is the projectile, and the path that it takes this is the trajectory. So for the horizontal components, we have from here to here is the delta x. This is just the displacement. So it's the total, it's like the ending distance minus the starting distance. And from here to here, see, because like little Jimmy over here threw the ball from like above the ground, this will be the delta y, which is the vertical displacement, while this is the horizontal displacement. And this right here, when he throws it, this right here will form what's called the V naught. This is just like the magnitude, or you can express it as V0. And this right here is the theta angle, and that's like at which angle it will throw, and that decides how far it will go. And once you get the V naught, you can use cos to find the uh, the horizontal velocity, and you can use it to find the vertical velocity. And while this is in motion, gravity is actively acting upon it. Therefore, the acceleration is negative 9.8 meters per second squared. So, for the vectors, what this forms, like in the triangle back to this, right here is a vector because Jimmy over here is throwing the ball and it's going that way. If it were the other way, the arrow would be pointed like this. I don't know, that's not really a good arrow. But yeah. And then for the like the vertical velocity, the arrow is going to be pointing downwards because gravity, negative 9.8 meters per second, means that it's going down 9.8 meters per second. And then finally, this right here, because he's throwing it to the right, the horizontal velocity will be whatever the cos of the V naught is. So yeah, that's pretty much all you need to know. Those are the vectors, projectile motion, and yeah.